The 2025 Hummer H1 is a beast reborn, bringing together military-grade toughness, modern technology, and incredible off-road capabilities. Hummer has always been known for its rugged and commanding presence, and this new model takes it to the next level. Whether you're tackling extreme terrain or simply cruising through the city, the 2025 H1 is designed to handle it all. Starting with the design, the Hummer H1 retains its iconic boxy structure but with a more refined and aerodynamic approach. The aggressive front grille, LED lighting system, and reinforced bumpers give it a bold and powerful look. The high ground clearance and wide stance not only enhance its off-road prowess but also give it an imposing road presence. Hummer has also introduced new skid plates, tow hooks, and heavy-duty fender flares, making it even more capable in rough environments. Under the hood, the 2025 Hummer H1 is offered with multiple powertrain options. The base model features a high-performance diesel engine that produces an immense amount of torque, ensuring exceptional towing capacity and off-road dominance. For those looking for more power, there's a turbocharged V8 option delivering over 500 horsepower, giving the H1 unmatched strength on any terrain. Hummer has also introduced an all-electric variant, offering instant torque and zero emissions without compromising performance. The EV model boasts a massive battery pack with a range of over 400 miles, making it one of the most capable electric off-roaders in the world. One of the standout features of the 2025 H1 is its advanced four-wheel drive system. Equipped with locking differentials, a low-range transfer case, and adaptive terrain management, the H1 can tackle mud, sand, snow, and rocky trails with ease. The new suspension system includes adaptive dampers and hydraulic ride control, providing a smoother experience on the road while maintaining extreme durability off-road. Hummer has also improved the water fording capability, allowing the H1 to wade through deeper rivers and flooded areas without any issues. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Hummer H1 offers a perfect blend of ruggedness and modern luxury. The interior features high-quality leather, durable synthetic materials, and a driver-focused cockpit with a digital instrument cluster and an intuitive infotainment system. A massive touchscreen display supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a premium surround sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with heating, cooling, and massage functions available in the higher trims. Hummer has also prioritized safety and driver assistance in this new model. The H1 comes equipped with advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system provides a complete view of the surroundings, making it easier to navigate tight spaces and off-road obstacles. For extreme adventurers, there's even an advanced off-road camera system that helps drivers see beneath the vehicle to avoid hidden dangers. Despite its massive size and off-road capabilities, the 2025 Hummer H1 remains surprisingly efficient. The diesel engine is optimized for better fuel economy, while the electric variant offers fast charging capabilities, allowing it to gain significant range in just minutes. Hummer has also included solar charging panels as an optional feature, helping to extend the range when traveling off-grid. Customization options for the 2025 H1 are extensive. Buyers can choose from a variety of colors, wheel designs, and accessory packages to personalize their vehicle. Roof-mounted storage, winches, and auxiliary lighting kits are available for those who plan on serious adventure trips. The H1 also offers a modular design with removable roof panels, turning it into an open-air vehicle for an even more thrilling experience. With its unmatched power, cutting-edge technology, and legendary durability, the 2025 Hummer H1 is set to dominate both the off-road and luxury SUV markets. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a collector, or simply someone who appreciates a tough and capable vehicle, the new H1 delivers in every way.